The lengths of a species of fish are normally distributed with mean 40 centimeters and standard deviation 5 centimeters. So always define your random variable. So let x be equal to the length of fish in centimeters, and then we know that x is normally distributed with a mean of 40 and a standard deviation of 5. We want to find the probability that a fish is greater than 38 centimeters in length, and then between 38 and 45. So that's straight on the calculator. So we want the normal CDF for this. So we're going to go from 38 up to infinity. And we know that sigma is 5 and mu is 40. Calculate, so that's 0.6554, giving our answers to 4 decimal places. And then between 38 and 45, we could probably just edit this one. Let's just take out the infinity and put 45 in there and execute, and that's 0.4968. We now want to describe the longest 10% of this fish species. So, what are we doing here exactly? So we know the mean is 40, and we're after a value k, so that 10% are up here, in other words, so that this is 0.1. So we're finding a value of x and not a probability, and that means we can use the inverse. So inverse normal CDF. Our tail is on the right. Probability is 0.1. Sigma is 5. Mu is 40. And that gives us 46.4. So we're going to say that k is equal to 46.4. So 10% of the species are 46.4 centimeters long or more. Only fish longer than 38 centimeters can be kept. What proportion of these are less than 45 centimeters? So, we're after the probability that x is less than 45 given that x is more than 38. That's going to be that x is between 38 and 45 divided by the probability that x is more than 38. So we'll go to the calculator for that. So we want the normal CDF, and the lower is going to be 38 and the upper is going to be 45. Sigma is 5, mu is 40. So okay, so that's this value here, and then we need to do it again, going from 38, but this time going all the way up. So 5 and 40. And so what we want is this one here divided by this one here, which is 0.7579. calculator over here so I can see the values while we're working. So we're going to want a binomial CDF, more than one value. So we're going to go from 5 up to 10. There were 10 trials, 10 fish caught. And the probability of success was 0.65542. And that gives us 0.9113 to 4 decimal places.